Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, right here, we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap. Now let's tap on see all 45 apps, of course 45 in my case, and after tapping on it we have to enter this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got the option we're looking for, so reset app preferences, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications, background data restrictions for apps, and battery usage settings. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.